Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you all my recipe for a red velvet lava cake. So those of you all who love chocolate and love red velvet cake, this is going to be a treat for you all. So to make this red velvet cake, I'm going to start with some milk chocolate, or you can use dark chocolate, and I'm going in with some warm heavy cream. Allow that to sit for about 10 minutes to soften the chocolate, and then you want to mix. We're basically making some truffles because that's what we're going to be making the lava filling with. Once it's mixed properly and it looks like this, you're going to set it aside and let's work on the dry ingredients. To a big bowl, I'm going to go in with flour, salt, cocoa powder, baking soda. If you wanted to add some cinnamon or spice to this, you can. You want to mix to combine. Once all of your ingredients are mixed in, set this aside. Let's work on our wet ingredients. So to another bowl, I'm going to go in with some melted butter, sugar, 1 egg, buttermilk, some vanilla essence or vanilla extract, a few drops of food coloring. You want to mix to combine. I'm going to go in with a few drops of white distilled vinegar and mix that in. Next, add in the dry ingredients and mix to combine. Once it's mixed in, you don't want to overmix the batter. You're going to put it into ramekins. Now this makes 2 large lava cakes, or it makes 4 small. Next, you're going to take spoonfuls of that chocolate and push it down into the center of the cake batter. Once you if you want to put extra, you can, but you want to make sure that you push it down. Next, this goes into the oven to bake, and when it's finished, you're going to allow it to cool slightly for about a minute or 2, and then invert it onto a plate. Dust it with some powdered sugar, or you can make a cream cheese frosting for this if you like. And then you cut into it and enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Please remember to give it a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!